Misambula Vinaka Fiji, welcome to Jejemon. I hope that you are having a great evening as you join me for the most fun night of television this week. Wherever you are tuning in from around our beautiful country tonight, welcome and thank you for your company. This evening, a special Mbula Vinaka to my Turanga and Marama Naitas from the province of Rewa. A little later on in the show, I chat to social media's Mr. Popularity, Tim Buata, also known as Juice Boy from Lomanikoro in Rewa. But to kickstart our show this evening, we check out the designer party for the Fiji Fashion Festival that is set to rock Suva on June 1st and 2nd. FBC TV is, of course, the exclusive television partner for this inaugural event, and Jejemon will bring you all the action from the catwalk, including our interviews with selected models and designers. The organizers hosted the who's and who of fashion to a cocktail evening in the capital and announced the 2018 designers showing in this year's show.
My brand is Zubair. It means powerful. It's Arabic for powerful. So this year, what I want to showcase, or what I want to really focus on this year, is bridal, the Fijian bridal market. To also experiment with masi and our natural fibers. I think what really inspired me last year was the Rural Women's Fashion Show. They released beautiful garments, and I think one thing that we don't realize as designers is what is presented traditionally always filters down, and we become inspired by it. So as a designer this year, I want to move into the bridal market and try my hand out at masi fabrics and shells and just natural fibers this year.
For my design aesthetic, what I'll be presenting, what I've always liked is of my own style. It's something really edgy, something really fun, something exciting. It's a bit got a mixture of dark colors, some fun colors too. I'm trying something new this year, and I'm putting in some gold, some spikes even, just to freshen things up, because I'm a fresh face and I want to show everyone out there at the fashion festival that I can be something to look forward to.
So yeah, as I said before, last year my collection was very heavy, very red carpet. This year I want to go back to my original concept, very resorty, relaxed and more comfortable clothing. Yeah.
Okay, very quickly, it's I've been inspired a lot by my mother, who is from Tonga. So I'll be exhibiting something that has to do with the Tongan culture, paying homage to her.
For the Fijian Fashion Festival, I'm actually launching, apart from my usual, but I think what will come out is my the Hefroni print and my men's collection together with. I have 4 segments to do, my usual women's wear, my men's wear, my children's wear, and a wearable art. It has 10 pieces each, so there's about 40 pieces altogether, and basically that, yeah.
Well, my name is Faraz Ali. I'm the chairman of the Fashion Council of Fiji and a trustee of the Fijian Fashion Festival, an initiative of the Fashion Council of Fiji. We are proud to announce that we have exclusive designers. This means designers who have signed on only to show at the Fijian Fashion Festival. These designers are Pacific Island Art, Samal Singh, Sue Samuels, Robert Kennedy, Samson Lee, Rachel Fairfax, Aladdin's Cave, Zubair, Carolina, Zilda, Naina, Hefrani, Alipata Sawane, and Libby Pickering. Oh, and also Gwen Fong. We also have Hartfield Herder showing, although he will not be showing exclusively with the Fijian Fashion Festival.
the designer cocktail to announce the 2018 lineup for the Fijian Fashion Festival, and we were very excited to have been given the exclusive list on the night by organizer Faraz Ali. So remember to mark the dates in your calendar, June 1st and 2nd, for Suva's newest night of fashion. Time for a short break. We are in Paris next for Chanel's story and making of the Haute Couture show. See you soon.